Everyone, Miss Ashley here, and today we are going to draw a tulip. All right, let's get started. Let's start with our flower. Now I'm going to start near the top on the left side of my paper, and we are going to draw a big U shape. And then I'm going to go over here to the left side, right at the top, and we're going to draw a line going down. And it's going to stop right there in the middle. And another line going up. So now we've connected these 2 points with a V shape, like that. I'm going to start right about here, and we're going to draw a line going up and back down. And this will be the back side of the flower. All right, next let's work on our flower's stem. So I'm going to start right here at the bottom. So if right here is the center, I'm going to go just a little bit to the left. And we're going to draw a line going down. And another line going down. Okay, and next let's draw our flower's pot. I'm going to start right about here, and we're going to draw a straight line going across. So right about here. And then draw a line down, a line down. So we're making like a really long rectangle. And then I'm going to start right here on the bottom of our rectangle. I'm going to go in just a little bit. And we're going to have a slightly angled line going down. Same on the right. We'll go in just a little bit and have that slightly angled line going down. And then connect it at the bottom. All right, pause the video if you need to catch up, and if not, let's keep going. Our next step is to draw the leaves. So I'm going to start at the base of the stem, and we're going to draw a line that goes up and it curves around and it goes up again. And then start here and a curved line going down. It's going to connect to the base. And we can draw a line in the middle. All right, and let's draw another leaf on the other side. So I'm going to start at the base. Curved line going up and back down. And a little line for the middle. All right, now you can leave your flower like this, or if you want, we can draw a little face. So I'm going to give my flower big round eyes. So I'm going to draw a big circle and another big circle. And I'm going to make it so my flower is kind of looking to the side. Little curved lines in the eyes. And then a circle for the highlight of our flowers eyes. So this part will be white. And then right underneath the eyes, we'll do a little U shape for a smile. All right, I think that looks great. Now let's color. Our drawing looks amazing. Now pause the video. If you need to finish coloring, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for drawing with me. Have a great day.